Welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to be making a yogurt fruit parfait. Before I show you how to make it, head down and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post a new recipe. Now I'll show you how to make this. Let's get started. Okay, now I'll show you the ingredients for this recipe. The thing about a yogurt parfait is it's super customizable. You can basically put in anything you want in this recipe. Okay, the key ingredients are: use a good quality granola. As you can see, I'm using the Amazing Grace brand. You can take a look at it. I have about 4 different flavors here. So I'm gonna do 2 flavors of parfait. I'm gonna do a banana one and a cherry one. So for the banana parfait, I'm going to use the chocolate hazelnut because I think chocolate and banana will go well together. So I'm gonna use this flavor. And then for the banana parfait, I'm thinking of using the blueberry coconut. I have a feeling blueberry and cherry will go well together. So since these are flavored granola, you don't have to add any other sweeteners in this recipe. Okay, now as I said before, you can add any berries or fruits that you like. I have raisin and cranberry here. Cherry for the cherry parfait. Banana. And the most important ingredient, yogurt. So this actually is freshly homemade yogurt. It's not store-bought, so it's homemade. I'm using this for this recipe. And that's pretty much it. That's all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. So now let's start assembling our parfait. As I mentioned before, I'm using the chocolate hazelnut granola. At the bottom, let's start off with some granola. Okay. Next, the next layer will be the yogurt. After that, going to add the banana. So now I'm first going to just make the banana parfait. After that, I'll do the cherry parfait as well. Okay, the bananas are sufficient. Now let's add some cranberries. And a little bit of raisin. Alright, now it's time for another layer of granola on top. As you can see, my bottom layer of granola disappeared. So be sure to make a thick layer of granola so that you can see the layers. Alright, I think that's good. After that, let's add another layer of yogurt. And then some more banana. Okay. More yogurt on the top. So now we're getting closer to the top of the bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle some raisins and cranberries at the top. And then a little more granola. And then 1 slice of banana. There we go. That's our beautiful parfait assembled nicely. Okay, now it's time to make our cherry parfait. So just like the other one, I'm going to add granola at the bottom. Next, I'll add the cherry that we have pitted and cut. Alright. Next up, let's add a little bit of cranberries. I'm just going to add a little here, and then after I put the yogurt, I will sprinkle more in. So the next layer is the yogurt. Okay, as I said before, it's time to add more raisins and cranberries. And another layer of granola. More yogurt. Some more cherry. So now I'm going to do the last layer. Just going to add a little bit more yogurt. Top it off with a little bit of raisin, cranberry, some more granola. Just sprinkle the top with granola. And finish it off with some more cherry. That looks awesome. Our fruit, yogurt and granola parfait. I hope you enjoyed it. It took literally 5 minutes to make, and I'm sure you can try it out at home as well if you have the ingredients. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe so you don't miss any one of our videos. See you next time. Bye for now.